Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by assembling the base so the lamp sits flat and stable. Choose wood for durability or cardboard for speed. Cut a 12 cm circle and sand edges for a snug fit. This prevents light leaks and wobble. Next, position the LED module near the center and test power briefly so you know polarity. This avoids rewiring later. Once that's done, mark and score openings for wiring and the diffuser. Accurate layout saves time during construction. You now create the diffuser to soften and spread the LED. Use frosted acrylic or layered tracing paper for a warm glow. Cut the diffuser slightly larger than the base and secure it with small tabs so light wraps evenly. Then solder wires to the LED, observing polarity, and route them through the scored opening. This keeps connections tidy and accessible. Once soldered, insulate joints with heat shrink or glue, and test brightness. Adjust LED distance. You finish by permanently securing the diffuser to the base and adding decorative elements reflective of Diwali, cutouts, paint, or metallic accents. Install the coin cell or USB adapter with an accessible switch so you can turn the lamp on during celebrations. Ensure the power fits snugly to avoid intermittent contact. Finally, test for run time and stability. If the lamp flickers or won't light, check polarity first. Then inspect solder joints and verify the supply voltage. Correcting those usually fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.